Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Hopefully it didn't cut out. I'm gonna go out with my mum shopping in a minute to get some celebrations and all that. So I might make a vlog then, but I don't know. So I'm gonna be with my dogs because obviously my dad's in bed still, so obviously he had an operation and my sister's just still asleep. So here's my dog. He's awake this time. And there's Kicks, Windy. And then they kissed. And there's Ringy. So this one came before Kiki, what I just showed you. And this one was a mischief, but now he's good. And she's getting better. So physically, they told us that she is house trained, but she wasn't. So the trouble is, we've woke up to like her business, really. But we're not. But she's been good lately. So I think if she goes on like that, then brilliant. So I was making a vlog, obviously, for any reason if we wanted to. But you know why I make vlogs. You know why I make vlogs. Some people, I watch Jelly sometimes, GTA, football and that, Harry, and that, usually like a YouTuber, and that, like ping pong, like something like that. And it's not like really ping pong. And if you're watching live, leave a comment, like it. If you do like it, if you're not, if I laugh, take the mic. But yeah, I watch him, and my brother came around a little while ago. I asked him, and I said, "Do you watch Daddy? He's amazing." And he said, "No, he's annoying. He just gets annoying." I was like, "Oh, right." So I still watch him. I found him annoying, and now I still watch him. But it's just. I watch videos from him, and they're quite good, and of yoga, and that kind of stuff. Not always on Xbox. I watch different videos. I watch Cams and Draw. So if you want to follow my YouTube, if you want to pass it on to anyone, that's fine with me. Only if you didn't hack, because like I said, if you add me on Xbox, I'm not a hacker. So if they add me as well as on Xbox, I don't want them to hack me. That's not fair. I had to block someone, and I think I reported someone for being mean to me. So I got loads of friends on there, but obviously if you want to add me, if you don't have friends, or you do, but you just want more, or you just want to add one more friend, or just add friends, loads of friends, to 100, 2 or that, whatever, and I'll be one. But like I just said, I don't want to be I'm not a hacker. I do not hack. My friend, if people be mean to him, he don't report or block. They just hack. He hacks. Only sometimes when they're being mean. Obviously, I ain't got him on my Xbox because I don't know his password, so I can't add him. I've got my brother on there, I've got my brother and my mates and that. So leave a description and hopefully, yeah. But I might just say it because if I pull it out, some people might not even use it, and it would just be lying around for everybody to see it. And it's like a bit, because you can't really sell it, really. Get it off of it. Once you've done it, you've done it. Merry Christmas. I'm joking. So, if you want to follow me, leave a comment and I'll give you my password name. Password for the Xbox that you have to type in. Like, you could go down and add friends. You could add me as friend. That's fine with me. Hacker, you have to tell me if you're a hacker. Okay, if you're not, then because I'll just click on your thing and see if you're a hacker. And that's fine with me. Because I'm not adding you and then you hack me. You know what I mean? Like some people are like, oh, I'm not a hacker. Yeah, I'm not a hacker. I don't know, but I don't care. I'm not a hacker. So, I don't need you to. No, you've got to stay down here. Is that a killer clown?
Yes.
Wow.
Didn't want to say nothing, but we were looking at that one last night, weren't we? Here for a letterbox.